unification of the dialogue. And after that, we discuss we are coming here to inform and explain the situation and to listen their position and their views on this issue. Therefore, we have there's a different interpretation of the dialogue. Yeah. We, from our point of view, this is a exchange of information and listen their consent.
I think I would like to invite someone from this side to give up some hints what you have discussed today.
So we discussed today about our dialogue, what happened for the dialogue. Because of last time we agreed to be continuously on dialogue. So we think today they arrived for the dialogue. So finally they said no dialogue. We are going about through the MOU, Bangladesh and Myanmar. So no dialogue. We are upset on it. Another thing is we discussed about our citizenship. They said they will provide us the direct application for a citizenship card who have all the evidence according to the 82 law. So we discussed a lot, so many possibilities in the middle if we discuss continuously as a dialogue, as a separate team. So they said we have to follow 82 law, we have no other choice because of we are about the government supervision. We have no chance to do this. So we said finally we are the indigenous race and community of Myanmar. We are living before as other ethnic, as equal right. So we want equal right. We cannot accept second class. Even there's a more opportunity. Also, we discussed about their resettlement. Yes, we had some of the houses resettled in the Yongchong near the Mongdo Township. 13 family is here is a setup just yesterday. But what about the Mutuji? The one big village, right? Nearly 2,000 family in this village. Finally, there is nothing, all flooded, all run down. Also set up the army commander place, the battalion sector in this village. How remove this battalion from these places? How they resettle those villages? So I asked, but they remark not yet the answer available. So another thing is we discussed about the Nguzi. About the Nguzi, they said the 8 kind of opportunity for Nguzi. Yeah, it is good, but we are not eligible of Nguzi. Even Nguzi is a high level, good, more opportunity, but will not accept because it is different of other things. So we will not accept this one. So after that, our security.